Hello everyone, myself is Sri Kamul De, a member of West Bengal Judicial Service, presently attached to State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission as a judicial member. I am happy to learn that Assembly of Angels School is going to celebrate its 25th anniversary. It is a joyous moment, it is a moment for introspection, and I just walk down the memory lanes. In fact, my son is an ex-student of the institution. About 20 years back, I took my son for admission to this institution, and since then I have developed a strong bondage and bonding with this institution, and with the passage of time, this bonding has strengthened. I especially remember the contribution of Mr. Jackie, who happens to be the principal of the institution, and Madam Saira Jackie, who happens to be the principal of the institution, in building of the school. My son is a pass out from this institution, and he is practicing lawyer of Calcutta High Court at present. The school during the last 25 years has produced bonanza of doctors, engineers, filmmakers, executives, and other luminaries in different spheres of life. Credit really goes to Mr. Jackie and S.M. Saira Jackie, and also to other teachers who give their best to groom the children. Education, as we know, is manifestation of all-round development in man, and this is what exactly the school is doing in its true letter and spirit. The teachers here